Who's inside the box? Hmm? Who's inside the box? Who is that? He got locked up in the box. Nisha, how did Densha get inside the box? Densha, what are you doing there? How did you get inside? Ah, you crazy little kitten. Look, he's trying to go inside again. Hmm? You like your box? You like that box? He wants to go inside again. Why you like to go there? Look who's inside. Densho, is that a toy? Look. You need help? I'm going to put this back behind the couch, okay?